Ghibli art styled images are trending these days. A lot of people are flocking to the internet just to convert their lovely photos to Ghibli art styled images. No doubt there are plenty of AI tools out there which can convert your photos to Ghibli with ease. But if you want to convert your photos using ChatGPT and on top of that you exactly don't know how to do it, then this video is for you. Also, I'm going to share a tip for people using ChatGPT on Android or iOS devices to convert photos, thus watch till the end. By the way, this method is applicable for all devices. So the first thing that you need to do is open ChatGPT's downloaded software/app, or you can open ChatGPT using any web browser like me. Now, a lot of people on the social media thinks that ChatGPT can't convert your photos to Ghibli style. Well, for those, here is a live proof. See, it can. Moving on. Now, below Ask Anything, simply click on the plus icon and then upload the photo that you want to convert. Once the photo is uploaded, simply type "convert this to Ghibli" and press enter. Post this command, ChatGPT will initiate the process of converting your photo to Ghibli styled image. Honestly, it takes a bit of time and the speed of image conversion depends upon server load, internet speed and complexity of the image. Thus be patient and let ChatGPT do its work. After some time, your image should be converted to Ghibli art style image. You can download the image by clicking the download button on the top right or simply right click on the image and select save image as. Now, if you are not happy with the generated image, then you can command ChatGPT to make changes by simply typing down below. In my case, I wanted the flower to be yellow, thus I simply entered the command change the color of the flower to yellow and pressed enter. As usual, you will have to wait for few more seconds so that the changes can take place. And now you can see that as per my request, ChatGPT has successfully changed the color of the flower to yellow. Now a tip for all Android and iOS ChatGPT users. While the image is getting converted, please don't put your app in the background because if you do so, then the image generation might stop with an error message. Rather, you should always stay on the ChatGPT app, or in other words, keep the window of the app open while the image is getting generated. And in some few seconds, your image should get converted. If you get an error message, simply close the app, remove it from background and then open the app again and start a fresh chat and then try converting your image with the above shown method. And this is how you can convert your lovely images to Ghibli art styled images using ChatGPT. Also, don't forget to pay tribute to Mr. Hayao Miyazaki. He is a famous Japanese animator, filmmaker and manga artist. He co-founded Studio Ghibli and also created this distinct art style which is popularly known today as Ghibli. There is nothing wrong in generating art style images, but we should never forget the OG creator who started it. With that being said, don't forget to drop a like if you like my content. Also subscribe for more such videos on topics from the world of gaming and tech. Thanks for watching.